Hi, it's Amy with Ready Set Move Group, and today is an exciting day as I just got another client referral for a new project. What makes this project exciting is that while most of my homeowners live in South Florida, this homeowner lives on beautiful Lake Norman in North Carolina. And as a bonus, I have a dear friend who lives on Lake Norman, so I'll be combining this working trip with a weekend girls getaway. So my client is moving soon and he needs help decluttering his home and getting it ready for showings and for his listing photos. He also needs a lot of help sorting through his belongings to determine what to take to his new home. So join us as Ready Set Move Group gets a home ready for sale in North Carolina.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're boarding our first and business class cabin. Get back by 8:39.
Hi, we're at Gary's home on beautiful Lake Norman in North Carolina. And while the outside is serene and gorgeous, the inside, after 20 years of accumulation, tells a different story. Hi, today we're at Gary's house. Gary's a commercial pilot who travels a lot, and he's retiring in 2 weeks and downsizing. So Gary brought me in to help him get organized for the move. And you can see why Gary might be a little bit overwhelmed. Hi, I'm with Gary. This is Gary's garage. Gary's house is on the market, so we've got to get this place cleared out, and he's going to help me choose what he wants for his new home. Wish us luck. There are a few spaces I want to show you in Gary's house. Did I tell you that he's been living here 20 years? So even the attic is full. But we'll get him organized. Now that we've walked through Gary's house, you can see there's a lot to do in a few short days, but it's nothing we can't handle at Ready Set Move Group. It's what we do every day. So let me share with you the process we used and what we accomplished.
Hey, I'm Gary. I'm Amy's client from North Carolina, and I'm in the process of downsizing, and it was just absolutely overwhelming to me to do all this, and actually I was paralyzed by the thought of it. And Amy came in, and her relentlessness and her focus and organizational skills were just phenomenal, and she did amazing, amazing work, and I can't thank her enough.
It was great helping Gary prepare his home for sale. Thanks again, Gary, for the opportunity. At Ready Set Move Group, we work with realtors and homeowners every day to turn listings into sales. So don't leave the sale of your home to chance. If you have a home on the market and wish to sell it quickly for the best possible price, contact me for a free consultation. Visit us at ReadySetMoveGroup.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram to learn how we can help you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this trip to North Carolina, and I'll see you on the next video.